Got the new row bracelet, 12 rows, outstanding. Oh man, this thing is plated in gold. Gold bricks. Come on now. And it's for a good price. Check the description and everything. I'll have the price and everything. This is that Soldier Boy, that little boosty bracelet and everything. And it goes right around your wrist perfectly. Oh man. This shit is like outstanding. It's hard to put it on with one hand, but hold on. Let you guys see it up close. Like, look at that. Come on now. What do you have to say? It's beautiful. Just check that out. Hope you guys like that. Comment, rate, subscribe. My stuff will be in the description. hiphopbling.com. You know where it is.